Hi, welcome to the Madame Sophie channel, your sophisticated lifestyle, beauty, and wellness channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my vegetable roast. This recipe is pretty easy. If you have a whole bunch of vegetables in your refrigerator that you need to get rid of, or you need to use, or you would like to do a quick meal with, this is a great recipe concept. So as you can see, I have some Chinese cabbage or bok choy or pak choy, as well as some chopped cucumbers, some sweet pepper. I also have some mushrooms and some chopped carrots. I'm going to be putting all of these vegetables in my baking tray. And these are shiitake mushrooms, but feel free to use any other type of mushroom. So this is what it looks like. I am going to also add in some olives. I love olives. I really love the acidity and the salty flavor that it gives from that brine. So I'm only adding about 3 olives that I cut up in half. In addition to that, I'm going to add in some coconut aminos. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos. Also some paprika, some smoked paprika, some dried parsley, and some dried oregano, fresh minced garlic, some ginger powder, adding in some nutritional yeast as well as some oil, vegetable oil, and a tad bit of sesame oil. Now sesame oil has a very pungent smell and flavor, so that's why I'm only adding in a little bit. I'm going to go in and add these into my vegetables. Also going to make sure that the marinade is well mixed with the vegetables, and I'm going to pop it in the oven for just about 20 to 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes on the broil setting, or at least at around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This is an example of how I ate my vegetable roast. As you can see, I have the vegetable roast with some roasted potato wedges that I made. This dish is super simple, and it is also gluten-free. Thank you so much for tuning in for this episode of Vegan Cuisine with Madame Sophie. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on your way out, and hit that notification bell. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Bye.